I bet you're in my face. Courtney peed herself. She did.
No, I didn't.
She did. So. There's really nothing to talk about. But, so. Courtney, what's your favorite color?
Agua. No, that's water.
Well, I don't know Spanish, so.
Ow!
Sorry. What's your favorite animal? Kitty cat. Where do you live?
I live in Imperial Oaks.
What you wearing?
I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
What you drinking?
Nothing at the moment.
Well, guess what? I'm drinking me some whiskey and my Sprite.